Mischa and the Valentine hug. In the peaceful little community of Golden Bay, where the sea breeze whispered through coconut trees and children played hopscotch in the yard, there lived a kind, thoughtful girl named Mischa. Mischa loved many things: coloring, dancing to reggae music, and eating sweet mangoes. But there was one person she loved more than anything: her mom. Mom worked long days at the clinic, helping sick people feel better. Sometimes she came home tired, her feet aching, but she always found time to help Mischa with homework and tuck her into bed. Every night, Mommy would kiss Mischa on the forehead and say, "Me love you more than all the stars in the sky." One day at school, Miss Cheryl said, "Class, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Remember, Valentine's is not just for friends, it's for anyone you love." Mischa thought about Mama's hugs, Mama's warm soup, and Mummy's bedtime stories. She deserves a Valentine surprise, Mischa said to herself. But Mischa didn't have money for chocolate or teddy bears, so she decided to make something from her heart. That afternoon, Mischa went into the yard and picked two bright red hibiscus flowers from the bush near the fence. The petals were wide and shiny, just like little red hearts. She washed them carefully and wrapped them in a piece of shiny paper she saved from Christmas. Then she took out her crayons and paper and started to draw. She drew Mommy holding her hand. She drew their house with a big almond tree. She drew a big red heart floating in the sky. On the paper, she wrote, "Happy Valentine's Day, Mama. Me love you." She practiced saying it out loud, her voice soft but proud. The next morning, Mischa woke up early, walked quietly into the kitchen. Mom was making tea before getting ready for work. "Mommy," Mischa said, holding out the hibiscus flowers and card. Mom looked surprised. "What is this, Mischa? Happy Valentine's Day. Me love you, no, Mommy, because you always take care of me. You listen to me and you hug me when I'm sad." Mom's eyes got watery. She knelt down and hugged Mischa tight. "This is the best Valentine gift ever," Mama said. "Better than any chocolate or anything else anyone could give me." They sat together, eating breakfast and laughing while the sun shone through the window. Mommy taped Mischa's card to the fridge so she could see it every day. That night, Mama tucked Mischa into her bed and said, "Valentine's Day is not about big gifts. It's about big love." Mischa smiled and hugged her mom back. She learned that love is something you show with kind words, warm hugs, and thoughtful surprises. Every day, not just on Valentine's Day. And from that day on, Mischa made sure to tell her mommy, "Me love you, not just on Valentine's Day, but every single day." Love doesn't need money or fancy gifts. Love grows when we share kindness, hugs, and thankful words with the people who care for us.